Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook eggplant in an air fryer. First, select a firm, glossy eggplant. Then, slice it into half-inch thick rounds or cubes. Next, sprinkle the eggplant with salt and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This step helps draw out excess moisture. Finally, pat the eggplant pieces completely dry with a paper towel before moving on to the next step. This preparation ensures a delicious, non-soggy result. Now, let's get those eggplant pieces perfectly seasoned. Drizzle about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over the dried eggplant. Then, sprinkle generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and garlic powder. For an extra flavor boost, consider adding dried oregano or a blend of Italian seasoning. Make sure to toss everything together thoroughly, ensuring every single piece is evenly coated with the oil and spices. This creates a flavorful crust. It's time to air fry. Begin by preheating your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, arrange the seasoned eggplant in a single layer within the air fryer basket. Avoid overcrowding to ensure even cooking. Cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to flip the pieces halfway through the cooking time. You'll know they're ready when they are tender on the inside and beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy on the outside. Your delicious air-fried eggplant is now ready to enjoy. This versatile dish makes an excellent side for almost any meal. For a fresh touch, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. It pairs wonderfully with a warm marinara sauce or a cool, creamy yogurt dip. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your perfectly cooked eggplant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.